is we're gonna do a dry ice bubble. So I've got a bowl, got some water, I'm gonna pour it in. And then I've got some dry ice. So dry ice is pretty cool, y'all. So dry ice is exactly what it sounds like. It's ice that's dry. So it's ice that goes from a solid directly to a gas. And that process is called sublimation. So I've got my bag of dry ice, and you can kind of see there's some smoke happening. So it's not really smoke, it's just the solid turning into a gas. So its gas is being expelled. So I have my chunk of dry ice, and y'all can hear it's so cold that the metal on my tongs are like squeaking. So I'm gonna put this in some water. Make sure I have enough. We're good. Put that in some water, and then y'all can see the magic starting to happen. So you have it going from a solid directly to a gas. And y'all, this is what they use in like those spooky potion punches and stuff like that. So I feel like a magic, like a witch, like a warlock. I love it. So what is happening? What kind of a change is this? So this is like, toot, 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 Dora, answer my questions even though I can't hear you. So it's going from a solid directly to a gas. So what kind of a change would that be? Would that be physical or chemical if you have a change in phase? If you have a change in phase. So if I boil water from a liquid into a gas, what would that be? Physical, right? So change in phase is a physical change. So then what I have here is I have some soapy water and just a piece of t-shirt, and I want to kind of drip the excess water off of it. And y'all bear with me, because sometimes this takes a couple tries. So we will give it a go and see what happens. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna kind of put it over the top of the bowl and see it popped. So you can't even like breathe on it. So over the top. Oh, y'all, I keep breathing. I can't hold my breath long enough. Oh. Okay, y'all, give it another go. Here we go. Oh, yes, I did it. So I'll whisper so I don't mess up the bubble. So what do you see is happening, y'all? What's collecting under that bubble? So all that gas is collecting under that bubble, and it's literally a bubble. It's dish soap. So it forms this barrier over the top, and it's collecting all the bubble, all the gas. And then what's gonna happen eventually? The bubble's gonna what? It's gonna pop or it's gonna break. And then all that dry ice gas is gonna be expelled, and it's gonna make the bubble pop. And I can even kind of make it wiggle a little. Okay guys, it's almost ready. And then it's awesome if you do a slow-mo. It's like if you take your video and you turn it to slow motion, so when it pops, you can see it. How cool is that, y'all? So this is a physical change. So even though it's super cool and it seems like it should be some kind of a chemical change, all it is the dry ice turning from a solid to a gas. And then that bubble barrier is just kind of growing, and then it just pops. So that's pretty cool. Hope y'all enjoyed Miss Brown's spooky lab demo. Bye, y'all.